They told me that we are selling an idea. The duty of leaders is not to give the people what they want. In this case, critical audience. We are going to teach history from the perspective of an ordinary soldier to our next generation of citizens and leaders. That's a big responsibility. Right now, I don't know if you should put this on record, we were forced on the advice of this gentleman person to make a statement about reducing the national conversation to fentanyl and cocaine. You know, our children are watching. There's a West Philippines issue, Ukraine, the Hamas problem. Do we want to do this? Really? Sitting president and former president. It's fun. It's an insult to our so this benefit was benefited.
Don't worry, sabi ko nga sa kanila, this will not be a hagiography. It is going to be a watch and all look. At sabi nga niya, an ordinary soldier trusts into extraordinary circumstances. What makes that man tick? Yun lang. That's it.
You know, there was one occasion na we were discussing, and then si Paulo Capino, sabi ko, video mo nga kami, we were discussing. Ano nangyari dito, ano nangyari dyan. Then there was the EDSA celebration. When we were talking, sabi ko, Senator, ikaw lang natitira po sa EDSA personalities. Wala na si, I mean, for Senator.
Sa JP, mga 100 years magtatagal.
But even yung mga sundalo, during the prayer gathering, si Kapuna na lang, si Bata, nagdadalit, hindi lumabas. Sabi sa kanya, parang, nakit tell your story. So,
It's about time.
So I call
Daming misconceptions kasi.
Tsaka lahat ng kwento ko lang ang galing sa kanya. So this is the first time na ang galing talaga sa kanya.
In my case, I think I have a story to tell. Arousal your interest in that. Sabi ko, I'm still at debate, so Malacanang, both as a tapper and together, without an invitation, except for my conscience. So, what do I do in that situation? Because lifetime. Now, I have a better idea. I can talk about living my life outside the system, and now, inside. Is it the right time? Baka bukas o next week, pag-usap ko, sino ka na ba? Kamado rin ako.
And then it's about time. Magka-casting kami. Well, we have Paolo Gumabaw, we have si Robin nga, tinitingnan namin kung papayag maging Victor Corpus. At Paolo is going to be Red Kapunan, yung close kay Senator Gringo, since PMA days. Marami.